Okay, now Mark has cleaned off the spindle and he's going to install the rotor. It's just an easy press-on deal like that. It's no big deal. Now he's got his greased outer bearing and he puts it in place. Ready for a washer and a nut now. Next is the nut to retain the bearing. So as the thing was winding down there, Mark spun it. He tightened up the nut and then backed off just a little so you don't over torque the bearing. And now he's putting the cotter key in to hold the nut in place. You're not trying to smash the bearings in there, you're just trying to hold them together. Just a little bit tighter so that the cotter key can go in. And then bending over the cotter key and clipping it short so it doesn't stick out.